What's going on, man? This is Pesh, livemixtapes.com. Make sure to check it out. Go download LMT Radio, Pandora for the streets. Let's go.
All eyes on me. 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 Yeah. I'm going for it with no hesitation. I built the empire from my mama's basement. I'm sending rappers on the vacay. Now niggas devastated. 100. This what money sound like. Niggas don't sound right. You wanna steal my swag, bitch, that's a sound bite. I tried to get rap niggas hope. I tried to get rap niggas hope. I tried to get broke bitches hope. I tried to get broke bitches hope. I tried to develop your flow. Hey, turn up in that hoe. In that hoe. Now pussy, I'm taking your soul. Amen. Murder she wrote. Murder she wrote. Amen.
Yeah, what it is, man. I'm your host, Voice Beat. You are now tuned in to Grind and Shine TV, bruh. We out here, man, Atlanta. I just ran into my big homie, Billard. What's happening, bruh?
What's happening with you, you know what I'm saying? Straight from Cleveland, you know what I'm saying? Came into the A a few days ago, and nigga ain't slept yet, but I'm grinding, you know what I'm saying? Doing my thing. Amen.
So you grinding out here, bruh. I see you got the jewels on every finger, man. Hey, hold them up. We gotta see the jewels.
Man, let them see that, man. Let them see that, man. I'm grinding though, you know what I'm saying? 4 rings on 4 fingers, man.
Yeah.
Amen.
Let's get it. Man. Now, bruh, you busting out on the scene. You down here, man. You networking. We in ATL. Man, who you brought with you, bro?
Shit, I came down with live mixtapes, you know what I'm saying? I got my homie DJ Dynamite in the building. Got my homie Trailer Park.
Holla at it right quick, Dynamite.
What's going on, DJ Dynamite? I'm here live. Man, we just out here going hard, man. You know, pushing, build a new project. I am Billard. Live mixtapes, go get that.
Live mixtapes, man. Let's get back to Billard now. You out here networking, bro. You say you ain't been asleep, so you passing out your music. You got your CD on live mixtapes, bro. That thing jumping, right?
It's definitely jumping, doing, you know what I'm saying, mad numbers, you know what I'm saying? Shout out live mixtapes for all the love, you know what I'm saying? And shout out my management, shit, you know, that's it for real, you know what I'm saying? All the DJs in the A, shout out the DJs in my city, man, come fuck with me, man.
Yeah. Now you got this new single out called
All Eyes on Me featuring MGK, and I got another one called I Can't Get Enough. I'm telling everybody, get ready, man.
Yeah. Now, man, what? I got a copy of the mixtape, you know what I mean? He out here flooding the streets with him, bro. Let us know, man, who all you got on the mixtape? You got any features?
The only ones I got is Machine Gun Kelly, you know what I'm saying? And I got Ray Cash. It's crazy, man. You know what I'm saying? They definitely did their thing for me, turned it up. It was definitely a great project. It was a great.
Now, how long you been grinding?
For real, professionally, just a year. You know what I'm saying? 1 year, and like I'm in this right now. You know what I'm saying? Doing VIP and all that. Like 1 year ago, I was just shit. I don't know what I was doing a year ago. I'm here now, you know what I'm saying? I'm only, you know what I'm saying? Only way to keep going is up, you know what I'm saying?
Okay, so now everybody, man, y'all see we got the mixtape right here. I am Billard, man. Y'all go to livemixtapes.com. Make sure, man, you get this, you download this, bruh. Look, next hottest thing out of Cleveland, right?
Man, that's what everybody's saying, you know what I'm saying? But I'm humble, you know what I'm saying? I'm grinding. They fucking with me. Amen. You know how it go, baby.
But let's get it, man. Now, one time, man, before we leave, why don't you plug everybody in on all your social media network and all that?
You can follow me on everything at I Am Billard. Check out IamBillard.com. That's it.
All right, word, man. Well, I appreciate everybody for tuning in, man. One more time, I'm your host, Voice Beat, Grind and Shine TV. Remember, if you ain't grinding, you ain't shining. And you already know that.
Shout out my nigga. Word up. I'm trying to go to ATL. I gotta get to